Another new Samsung Galaxy phone for Boost Mobile already in the market. Boost Mobile is going aggressive and launched 4 new phones back to back at this time. So 2 by Motorola and 2 by Samsung. So in this video, we are going to talk about Galaxy A12, which is right in my hand. So stay connected till the end. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. And by reading on the box, I can say that it has two prominent parts. The one is its screen size and the battery power. So let's open the box and let's see inside in it. Galaxy A12, the traditional Boost Mobile box. Let's cut the tape from there here. Okay, as I said, it has big screen. So it has Samsung Galaxy A12. This big screen, almost my palm side. The charger is, let me zoom in, Type C, as new phones are coming with Type C. Fast charger, manual, nobody read these days, and SIM card tool. That's it. So phone is on, initial setup is completed. So let's talk about its specification. Let's see what kind of specifications and features this phone has. So first of all, it's a screen, 6.5-inch full HD screen, and 8-megapixel selfie camera right in the middle instead of the on the corner. And the bottom has headphone jack, mic, Type C charging port, speaker over here, SIM card and memory card slot. In this side, volume up, volume down, power button, and in the back, matte finished. It has a good grip though, quad camera system, and with the flash. So let's go in more detail. Not a bad phone, $880, free when you search according to the current promotions in Boost Mobile, giving you a moderate level of specs. Few things are great in it and some are average, and one thing is really bad. I will talk about that in later on. So on the good side, this one has 6.5-inch HD 60Hz display and 5000 milliamp the battery, which gives you power for 3 days. And on average side, this one has a quad core camera system with 16 megapixels main camera, 8 megapixels selfie camera. The processor is also an average, so 2.3 gigahertz quad core. These days phones are coming with the octa core, but this one is fast enough. And built-in storage is low, which is really bad. If you go in the setting and device care, storage, so this one has 32 GB built-in memory, and half of that is already gone in initial setup. So you guys gonna get stuck at one point if you download more applications in it. It supports external SD card up to 1 terabyte, which is big, but again, that's good for videos, pictures, not for the applications. You need built-in memory more to download applications. 3 GB of RAM makes this phone fast enough. Operating system is Android 10. This one has face recognition and fingerprint scanner. That we can say is a good thing in it, because at this price range you get only the fingerprint scanner. So this one has fingerprint scanner inside the power button, which is very quick. It takes you inside the phone right away. And only one speaker in the bottom over here, which doesn't sound good at all. So the features and specifications in this phone are quite the same as in the Moto G Power, the one I made video on it. So I will make another video in which I'm going to do the comparison of both, so that you guys can decide which phone is the better and which one you should go for it. So for now I can say Moto G Power has better features, but let's see for the comparison. So that's all. If you have watched my video till now, so please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, so that you guys can get my upcoming videos. So till then, stay safe, take care of yourself and my channel.